This is a tutorial for making herbal honey with ginger, turmeric, and optional Osha. Herbal honeys are a great introduction to medicine making. We make 2 honeys in this video, one with just ginger and turmeric, so you can find all the ingredients at the grocery store, and one with added Osha, which makes for an even stronger medicine. These proportions can get a little bit tricky if you've never done this before, so we've provided a list of measurements at the end of this video. Add alcohol or a splash of your favorite tincture. We do this to begin breaking down the plant material and to extract the alcohol-soluble medicinal properties from the plant. We don't show it here, but this Osha did get a splash of alcohol and was left out overnight to dry. This larger jar has the Osha, ginger, and turmeric, while these smaller jars have just ginger and turmeric. Once the honey is removed from heat, it can sit with the muslin on for anywhere from a week up to a month, allowing for evaporation, which makes for a thicker honey.